And welcome back. Well, anyone who owns a car with an engine should know the oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle, and making sure that you change it regularly is critical to its longevity.
Right? So today, why it's important not to wait for the oil light to come on before you change the oil.
Oh, okay.
Yep. In fact, check out this hassle-free way to make sure you check off this required maintenance on schedule. Guess what I have? I have the keys to car maintenance here at Horn Honda because I'm here with Coach Chris. He knows everything because he runs this service department. It's awesome to see you.
Yeah, good to see you, Mom.
Okay, I want to talk oil changes. So, what happens if I wait too long to change the oil in my car? The light's on, but I ignore it.
Yeah, well, if you wait too long, it's going to be catastrophic. If you wait too long in between every one of them, you're just going to take life away from that engine. An engine that could probably last 300,000 is probably going to cut that life in half.
Whoa, so it's like the wear and tear, but you got to worry about the life of your vehicle and probably fuel efficiency too.
Yep, it'll affect all of that. Yep, and engine oil is very important, just like all the other fluids in your car. Your transmission fluid, you got brake fluid, you got your coolant, all that stuff needs to be maintained.
So you just mentioned all those other fluids. So if you do an oil change, do you check all of those things?
We do. Yep, we want to make sure that, and then we look at it time and mileage and see when it's due and look at the condition of it when it's in here and let you know that if we think it should be replaced.
So I want to know about this oil for life thing, because that just sounds almost too good to be true, but it makes sense. If you buy a car here, I mean, what a cool perk.
Yeah, and it truly is. It's oil for life. You get all of your oil changes are done for free. You absolutely no price at all. Also, we do a multi-point inspection along with that, which is nice. Kind of getting the car in to see the doc and find out if we got anything else going on.
So truly for life. So if I buy a car here 15 years later, I'm still getting my oil change?
You'll still be doing you'll still do your oil changes.
And it's obviously at this location, but you have other locations in the state where you'll also do those oil changes if you buy a car here.
That's right. Yep, any of the Van Horn stores will do the oil changes from any of the stores. You bring them here, any make, model, we'll get them done here for you.
Bottom line, it matters getting your oil changed.
Yeah, 100%. It is probably the most important thing to do. And you want to do it on time. A lot of cars nowadays have the maintenance minders. You're probably going to want to listen to that and get it done as soon as it tells you to get it done, if not sooner.
So Coach Chris says don't blow off the change your oil light.
That's right. Get it done.
Get it done, everybody.
Get it done.
Remember, if you purchase your vehicle from Horn Honda of Glendale, you're going to receive free oil changes for life. And if you did not buy a vehicle from them, Honda owners only, you can purchase the Oil for Life program for just $399.
Wow.
This offer ends at the end of the month.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Now I just want a Honda for that.
I know, because the oil changes are such a pain and paying for it. So to get them free for life is
70
incredible.
to 80 bucks each time.
Yeah, it's
that's
important.
Incredible. So go buy that.
Yeah, they've got a beautiful showroom.
It is. And free popcorn.
Yep.